When we use a request page, we also have the possibility to create an options tab in which we can let the user dynamically change the behavior of the report. Let's see how we can do this. So how are we actually going to build the options tab? We are actually going to go into the report page designer, in which we are going to create a content area container. In the content area container, we're going to create a fast tab, which will become the options fast tab. And in there, we will have the individual options available. So here we have a preview on how this options fast tab will look like. Let's demonstrate this in the application. So I am in my inventory report, and to be able to build the options tab of the request page, I'm going to go here into view request page. Now, view request page actually means building the options page. So we are in the options page designer. This is a page designer, so the page has content which will actually come into the content area. The content area container needs to have a name. I'm going to put something in here, it's not going to be shown. And then I'm going to create a group container. This is going to become our fast tab. I'm going to give it the name options. And then here in the options, I will be able to add some fields. Usually these fields are variables. So in order to do that, I'm first going to create a variable. I will go here into my globals. For example, I have already a variable in here, height details. Then I'm going to add this actually in our request page. So here as the source expression, I will be able to access all of our variables that I have defined, including the height details. This will become the source expression. I'm also going to give it a name, height details, and I'm going to give it a text to display. And I'm going to present it like this to the user. This is actually going to become the options tab of the request page. If I'm going to save it in my report, and then save it again, and then run the report, we are now going to see our request page, and it's also going to show the options tab. So I'm launching the application. The request page will be opening in a few seconds, and now we are actually seeing an options tab here at the top. It's a fast tab, so we can expand and collapse it, and all of the options in here are now available. Because I have my height details variable in here, the user will be able to click on it, and the information will be sent to the datasets. So that's actually how we can build the options tab of the request page, and then we can take that into account when running the report.